Okay, this is 2018 XC90 Volvo. The engine at 2.0 supercharger. To do the AC compressor, you have to remove the motor mount bracket, the motor mount. You have to remove this bracket. You have to move this. You have to remove this idle, so you get a chance to remove the bolt. And they got a 4 bolt. They got a 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you have to move the alternator. You can move the alternator here, and then you can move the AC right here. Okay, so I gotta go pull right now. I already socket out the AC, so now I have to do is disconnect this and okay. So after I pull out, I can show you. They fail a lot. The clutch in this car, XC90s, they fail a lot. So I don't know what happened, but it's not like, they fail a lot of these AC compressors. Okay, that's it. They have 3 bolts, the AC, and it's ready to go, coming out. There you go. Okay, that's it. Coming out. See, it's a little stuck right here. It's ready to go. Come on, baby. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Got the compressor. So that's the AC compressor. They have 1 bolt, 2, and 3, and this is torque is 40. Then you have to remove the motor mount. This is the tensioners. It's like a little bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Move the alternator and push the engine up a little. That's it for the AC. The AC right there. Okay. AC 2018, 19, 20, 21. XC90, XC60s. Volvos. Okay. And that's my friend. Hi, Ryan. You in my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's my friend. Okay, so if they help, just put it like it. If you know, see, you don't see. You have to socket out the AC first. You have to socket out the AC first, and then step by step, and it's no hard. It's just a time. I think they charge like 4 hours for these. I think like 4 hours for these. Remember, they fail a lot. I think the clutch. The clutch, they fail a lot. So right now we have to see it. Okay, guys. See you later. This is the. And that's a supercharger over there in the back, okay? So right here, all the way down, the AC compressor.